Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you tag someone or multiple people on your Facebook posts, you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. From there, search for Facebook. In the search results you should find it. Go ahead and open it from there. And let's make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly, and to make sure both of us are on the same page right here. So after that, you can finally quit the store, and let's carry on by opening your Facebook application. Of course, you have to be logged in. Now let's start by making a post. So tap on what's on your mind right here. You'll be taken to this page. You can go ahead and make your posts. If you want to add no pictures, you can just add it or just write it right here. Once you're done writing it, I'll show you how can you tag people. All you need to do is to tap on this icon right here, right next to the pictures icon. You'll be taken to your friends list. You can choose people from this list by tapping on the squares right next to their names to select them, or you can just search for them in the top. Anyways, just tap on the people you want to tag. Once you go back from here, on your post, you'll find the tagged people in the top right here. And if you want to tag people in a picture, you can tap on the pictures icon right here. You'll be taken to your gallery, choose the picture. Once you choose it, go ahead and tap on it right here. So once you open it from your post, and then tap on this tag icon in the top, from here Facebook will automatically detect the faces in this picture. So all you need to do is to tap on the face you want to tag people in, and then tap on the user that you want to tag on that face. And then once you're done, you can tap on done in the top right corner, and then you can tap on done again in the bottom right. From here, all you need to do is to tap on post in the top right corner, and the post will be posted with the tagged people on it. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.